It's so funny how Umata thinks everything ingalungiswa ngocansi, like in her mind. She can just slip her way to anything that she wants to. And times have changed. People are looking for money. People are looking for wealth. People are looking to rebuild their generational wealth and so on and so forth. Not everything is about ucansi. Not everything is about, you know, othi kulo mlisa, I really don't want to lose a hotel lam, but is there anything that we can do? Athi umlisa unayo 10 million, athi cha anginayo. This came from a conversation that they had no Jackson. So Jackson uhambise ihotel as isibambiso ukuthi, if I don't pay up, here is the hotel. Now sebayalwa manje, sebashayana ngamagama because omunye uthi, you know what, if I will tell you the hotel back, you and I are done, and we're going to be done in a very dirty way because I am not going to allow you to take everything away from me because leli hotel angalisebenzela kanzima. It was not even easy for me to get it. So I'm not going to lose it just like that. Which means that now Jackson is stuck between a rock and a very, very hard place. Which means Guti, the only option that he has is what? Yebo, you understand? The only same person that I've been telling you about, because he has been trying to make phone calls. Other people, when he just say, "Oh, my old friend, this is Jackson Mkhize," they hang up. So nobody wants to touch him. Actually, I think he's been blacklisted in the market because no one wants to touch him. No one wants to speak to him. Everyone is just nowhere to be found. Then he even issued some threats saying, you know what? If you guys are trying to be snacks, give me now. Make sure that I don't go down alone. I know the hotels that you bought. I know the casino that you bought. I know about this and that. And I'm like, yeah, talks, lies, lies, and all lies, and nobody gonna listen to you. On some more interesting news, though, Usakile is to be announced the mayor of Emnyamin. Kodwa ndinewari, guys. I don't know if I'm the only one who is saying this. Jackson was corrupt to the core. I'm sure at the beginning, as he was a new broom, he was sweeping nicely. But now here comes Usakile, who is in Tandokazi of the community. And obviously, I know that he's going uzongena ngamawala, trying to fix this and that, trying to put people first. But is he going to last in that position of trying to put people first? Or is he going to be rotten as well? Because Jackson would say, you know what, I'm going to remember this day. Yamadoda ayipheli Sakila, athi Sakila, of course, you must remember how the mighty have fallen. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Ndima Dekwana, sanibonani, avuxeni, molweni, minjani, hi pfukile hi nkingwini. So namuntlha ka nona kwa hina hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Kayise, it's a bittersweet end. She's leaving to varsity and it looks like gunalanto man, and now she's waiting for Umatha to come. Matha is not coming. Matha is wrapped up with all this hotel wanathengiswa wena ntontoni. Now Mamncane says, Matha did indicate ukuthi uzoza. I think she was lying. Well, just from how everything unfolded, for me, I think she was lying. She was just trying to make ukuthi umntwana angahambi aphathekile kabi. Says no, I think uMatha ungifonele yazi ngikhohliwe athi ungikutshela ukuthi uzoza. Let me just try and call her again. And this is when she goes to the room, try to call Matha, and Matha was not answering until she decided to pick up the phone. And on her pickup, the first word that she said, please, I'm busy. There are things that I'm trying to sort out. And I'm not saying that whatever you're calling me about is not important, but I've got more important issues that I'm dealing with right now. To Mamncane again, what could be more important than seeing your daughter going to a university today? Because ukulindile, everybody else ukulindile. It's just like, yeah, I know that's important, but yeah, I can't be in two places at once. But at the end of the day, she decided ukuthi afike, and then ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho kwahlanza inhliziyo kaKayise, and she felt good. And she was happy that umawakhe at least made it on time. Ambone seyahamba. Bayakhuleka lapha. Kuyavaleliswana-ke bese bayahamba and it looks like everything is going well. However, umamncane you can tell ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe ufisa ngathi kube ukayise akahambi. But then I think that is just a selfish view. Or maybe it's coming from a motherly point of view ukuthi umntana mishemo ngiyafisa ukuthi angahlelwi anything that is bad. Ubaba wakhe umfundisi ushilo ukuthi mafika phambili ngane yami uyiphathe kahle ungazitholi usebafaneni utya iziyobisi ubhizi uzozibuyela no degree bathi bacela ungabuyi nengane ubuye no degree lo simcelile. Okay, sharp. Then on the other hand ke uSekhile uyangena ubona uMr Mayor uyathutha and uPetunia prior to that witnessed a conversation where they were saying uSekhile they bam-offer a position yokuthi abe uMr Mayor. Now uPetunia was so excited athi yabona kizo zonke izinto emhlabeni this is the one opportunity that you cannot miss. Now imagine I'm just like thinking how this is going to play out when Petunia's husband becomes the mayor and then she's working at Martha's hotel. Is she going to continue working there? I mean, nanoma asebenza uzosebenza kanjani because knowing ukuthi indoda yakhe ithathele indoda kaMartha umsebenzi. Even though that he didn't the daughter didn't take, but then the community chose him. But for the mere fact ukuthi indoda kaMahla iyehliswe esihlalweni, that would not sit well with her. So obviously she's going to sabotage. For me, I foresee a lot of sabotage just to make sure ukuthi kuproveke ukuthi lo muntu enimkhethile naye akazi fuck all. Mina, I was the one that was doing the best here, and I'm the only person ongayibambi intambo. That is what I see. Anywho, siyoke sibone-ke ukuthi kwenzakalani. Hhayi-ke, uTiny guyzini, uTiny ulale noTim nganitshela ngathi ngicela nibuyise i-apology yami because I did not lie. I never lied. I know that Tiny's pants are loose. And then uTiny uthi so angisho uTiny uxoshiwe and then uTim comes and visits and they were trying to have a conversation and then uTiny was like how yini it's like ufuna ukungidla nje athi uTim yebo kayi-1 ngiyakukhalela and then uTiny was like no you need to leave I can't do this and then when she's done chasing uTim she was grateful but at the same time uyamkhalelani umkhalela enye into engakaze ibone and I'm like okay well I don't trust you I think tomorrow uyomudla nangamazinyo like I just don't trust ukuthi wena uyakwazi ukuzibamba because now endlini bebathi how Tiny kani wena umuntu onjani every time is a married man every time so now probably she was just feeling better about that and she was like trying to change izinto and do the right thing. I don't trust that it's gonna last forever because nje akusumuntu engimbonayo ahlukana namadoda wabantu. Anywho, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next upload. Please do leave me a comment and a big thumbs up.